Are you a developer who would like to be promoted to a project manager, product owner, or team leader? If so, you're in the right place. I'm Rafal Zalewski with over 15 years of expertise in project management, product management, team leading, and software development. I gained my professional experience in large international organizations, medium-sized companies, and small startups, so I do have an extensive knowledge about the path you will take from being a developer to an experienced manager. By enrolling this course, you will gain all the necessary knowledge required to smoothly step into a management role. You will be able to perform day-to-day tasks and be prepared for many different life scenarios. You will learn exactly what expectations are from a manager, understand waterfall methodology and agile framework. You will learn how to manage time, budget, scope, and project risks. You will learn how to collect the requirements, how to create useful reports, how to create and monitor roadmaps. You will learn how to talk and cooperate with stakeholders, how to inspire and motivate your team, create a culture of transparency and trust, become a bridge between technology and the business. If you want to do more than just writing a code, you want to shape the entire project, see how your products come to life, and have a real impact on the organization, project, and products, this course is the right path for you. Now, it's time to unlock your potential, elevate your career, shape your future, and catch the opportunity. Enroll this course now and join the ranks of successful project managers, product owners, and team leaders.